Deep in the lands of the San Agustín Acasaguastlán municipality, El Progreso, lies the community of Llano de Jesús, a place where the craft of pottery has been passed down through generations, becoming the primary livelihood for many families. However, this noble art faces the challenge of finding markets and means to showcase their work. Today, we visit Doña Sonia, who, at 62 years of age and with experience dating back to when she was just 13, continues shaping clay and confronting life with resilience. Creating a comal, a traditional piece in Guatemalan kitchens, begins long before the clay touches the artisan's hands. On the banks of the Hato River, ground cascaguín, a crucial material for strengthening the comal, is collected, while black clay from nearby villages such as Puerta de Golpe, Chanreo, and Los Cimientos provides flexibility and durability. Both materials are carefully mixed with water, forming a kind of mud that becomes the base for the comal. Doña Sonia begins the process by spreading the mixture into a large mold, sprinkling cascaguín powder to prevent it from sticking and cracking. Skillfully, she kneads the mixture, shaping the base of the comal.
Ya le hice el plan. Ahora falta la orilla.
Her hands, marked by years of work, create the comal's edge with care.
Ahorita le va a hacer la orilla.
Did you know that pottery is one of the oldest techniques known to humanity? In Mesoamerica, the art of shaping clay has been present for over 3,000 years. In communities like Llano de Jesús, it's not only an ancestral craft, but also a way to preserve cultural identity and pass down knowledge from generation to generation. And with a touch of water, she begins perfecting the details, shaping the piece until it reaches the desired form.
Se mira bien fácil porque uno ya sabe.
Ajá.
No,
Yo
que no.
creo que si uno la sabe, no le queda.
A nosotros los costó.
As the head of her household, she has managed to raise her 4 children through her hard work in pottery.
13 años tengo de esa comal.
Sí, sí,
Y de eso ya ahora le di estudio a mis patojos,
ajá.
a mis hijos.
Sí, pues.
Y bendito sea Dios, ya se recibieron, se graduaron de... Tengo una maestra, tengo una perita en administración y la otra, el otro, pero ahorita ellos ya se metieron así como están ustedes universitarios también, ya, pero por su cuenta de ellos.
Sí, pues.
Yo solo les digo,
The water sandpaper, which must remain completely wet, helps remove residual pieces and smooth the surface. Each step is crucial to ensure the comal is durable and can withstand high temperatures.
terminado.
Once shaped, the comal is left to dry in the sun, a process that can take several days depending on the weather. During this time, the cascaguín and clay fulfill their roles. Cascaguín gives hardness and strength, while the clay ensures the comal's integrity and capacity to withstand temperature
Y
changes.
ahora le puse este polvillo, así mire, de abajo, cascaguín, para que mire. Está levantadito, ¿eh? Y si yo no le hubiera pegado, se me hubiera pegado con lo otro y se raja.
Some artisans also opt to bake their comales in special ovens to speed up the process. When the comal is completely dry, final touches are made, scraping off any remaining imperfections. Finally, the curing process is performed, using boiling water and lime. This ensures the comal is safe for cooking and leaves no traces of the materials used. Thus, a tradition that has survived for centuries remains alive in the hands of Doña Sonia and many other artisans in Llano de Jesús. It's a craft that not only shapes clay but also shapes lives and communities. Although challenges persist in selling and marketing their work, the effort and dedication of people like Doña Sonia continue to testify to the resilience and value of pottery in these lands.
La vida es abundancia porque Dios es abundancia, entonces la pobreza no es una virtud.